Thank you all for tuning back with I am Cassie in the kitchen. So as you see, I have my shrimps here and they are already cleaned and I already cut them. And when I say cut, I'm gonna show you guys exactly when I said cut. So this is what I mean when I say cut. I basically split it down the middle so it could be very open. So now I'm going to show you all what I'm going to be seasoning these bad boys with, and then we'll go on to the next step from there. Now my favorite part is just mixing everything all well in. Now that these are all mixed in, now to the next thing, and we will be grilling these. So on my skillet here, I'm adding some butter. Also, I forgot to mention that I did add or drizzle some olive oil onto our shrimps when mixing it. So yeah. So with all our shrimps already added on the skillet, now at this time I could go ahead and start flipping them on the other side because we all know shrimps don't take that long to cook. So with the majority of my shrimps already, flipped onto the other side, I basically let them cook for a good probably like 5 minutes and then flip them and then let the other side, cook for about 5 minutes because I want it to be like that crispy golden color. So you'll see me removing some and then putting some because I still had a little bit more shrimps in my bowl. So yeah. So on my skillet here, I'm basically going to be making a sauce for my shrimps because you already know your girl is not going to leave them shrimps naked like that, okay? So adding a good amount of butter, we also will be adding some lemon and honey. What I'm adding here is some soy sauce. Basically, that soy sauce will give it that nice brown kind of type of color, but you'll see at the end. Your sauce ain't a sauce without some minced garlic. The sauce doesn't have to be cooked for that long. I say good 10 minutes because once we remove it from the stove and add it to the shrimps, it will get thickened. Now, adding my shrimps back onto the skillet, basically making it cook for a little bit. I did went ahead and added my sauce. I had forgot to record that a little bit, but what I'm here doing is adding more of the sauce. And this is what I mean when I say it will basically get thickened. Once I got the sauce to my consistency, that's when I went ahead and started removing the shrimps from the skillet. So this wraps up the end of our video. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did making it for you guys. I know there's some of the stuff on the plate that I didn't record because I just felt like you guys probably wouldn't see it. But don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the post notification bell button. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Deuces.